All you people up here, I want to hear from you guys too. Anybody feel like making some noise? Anybody feel like raising some hell? Turn it up a notch, one more time. Everybody make some noise. Cody Marsh, make it go. Say I should walk away alone right now. She can't take the one who's right to another mind. Said she's on the mind, just turning around. Look, one way street, the only way is down. How are you feeling, everybody? My name is Corey Marks, and it's good to be here for my first time. I heard this is the party to be at this year, this whole summer. Am I right? Well, I got some new music out, and I also have a new album coming out October 11th. So we're going to try some brand new music off that album coming out. You can pre-save it wherever you listen to music. And comes out October 11th. This is one of the tracks on it called Fast As I Can. Had a smile like fireworks, lit up this fall just like good 4th of July. Should've drawn in a wood,
to be back performing at the Chip. It's great to be back. Thank y'all so much for being here. Thank you so much for having us. We always have a good time here, and I'm sure we're going to have a good time tonight, right? I hope you folks came out here to the Chip tonight for the same reason we did. The biggest reason we're with you out here tonight, we came down here to party with y'all. That's why we're here. I forgot to tell you something. Everything that you hear us play here tonight is us actually playing and singing live. We don't use any tracks or any of that other stuff. Everything we do is live. So I hope y'all can appreciate that, right? Front porch of that old gray house where I was born and raised. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love that sound right there. I did something. Yeah, do it some more. Come on. I love it. Yes, indeed. You guys are fantastic as always. Thank you so much. You know, I have always believed that there's only two things that have protected us in this country from our enemies. And as far as I'm concerned, those two things that have protected us for all these many decades have been Almighty God and our United States military, and that's it. How much your service means to me, so I have a personal message that I would like to deliver to all of you who've ever served in our military. And my message is simply this: you are the best in the world. May God always bless you. May God always bless your families. And may God always bless the United States of America. Tell me that you didn't see. Tell me that you didn't say. Goodbye.
about 12:30 a.m. here at the Buffalo Ship. Travis Tritt just finished his concert. A really, really good show. So, kind of loud here still with all the bikes and everything. And fifth Buffalo Ship contest up there right now.
From Georgia, that is Maya.
But anyways, that's gonna wrap up this video for tonight. And gosh, 12:30. I still gotta make it back to camp. Yeah. So, well, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.